Guys, this recipe makes me so nostalgic. This is mom's recipe. This is Bengali chicken curry with potatoes, made quickly in a pressure cooker and tastes so good. Just makes you want to eat and eat and eat. Let's make this together. Use chicken with bones for this recipe because it tastes a lot better than boneless chicken. This is 700 grams in total. To this, we are going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoons of fresh ginger garlic paste, and 4 tablespoons of plain unsweetened yogurt. Guys, use fresh ginger garlic paste for the best taste. We are going to coat all of this nicely on the chicken pieces and we are going to let this marinate for 30 minutes at least. Set your pressure cooker on medium heat and add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. We are going to first fry our potatoes. Lot of oil spilled out. We are going to cut the potatoes in 1/3, 2 medium-sized potatoes. We'll fry them till they are golden brown in color. Fry them for 5 minutes or so and then set them aside. To the same oil, we are going to add 3 green cardamoms, 3 cloves, a 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 large onion that has been finely chopped. We are also going to add half a teaspoon of sugar. Sugar is going to help the onions caramelize better. We will stir fry the onions till it turns slightly golden brown in color. It should take approximately 5 minutes. Now we are going to turn down the heat and add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri Red chili powder that gives a beautiful red color to the curry. Give everything a quick stir. You can also splash a little bit of water if you feel like the spices are going to burn. Next, we are going to add in the marinated chicken and we're also going to add a little bit of water to the bowl so that we can wash out all the spices into the pressure cooker. We're also going to add in 1 large tomato that has been finely chopped along with some salt to taste. You could also stir fry the tomatoes before you add the chicken, but if you stir fry the chicken long enough with the tomatoes, both of them get cooked at the same time and you don't have to do that step. Guys, take your time and stir fry this till the gravy starts to look nice and oily. That means that the tomatoes have cooked through, all the spices have cooked through, and that this gravy is going to taste delicious. We're going to add in the potatoes along with some slit green chillies, as many chillies as you like, and we're going to add water as needed. Basically just enough water to cover the pieces and then place the lid on and cook it for 1 whistle. That means you can cook it for 5 minutes under pressure if your pressure cooker doesn't have a whistle. One important thing is let the pressure release naturally before you take off the lid so that the chicken cooks through for sure. Guys, doesn't this look delicious already? And the recipe wasn't even that hard. We are going to check for salt and for sugar. Bengali recipes do use a little bit of sugar to balance out the tartness of the tomato. We're going to add salt if required and mix that all together. Lastly, we want to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and we are going to garnish with coriander leaves. That's it, guys. This recipe, it always reminds me of home. This with white rice is just so addictive. So simple but so tasty. I really hope you try it and let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed it.